हेलो फ्रेंड्स, द इमेज स्टार न्यूज चैनल के सभी दर्शकों को प्यार भरा नमस्कार। वीडियो पसंद आने पर लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट्स और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
I am Inder Gupta, the partner of Homestay Life Mohali store, this store, and he is my brother Ankit Gupta. We are partners here.
Hi, my name is Varun Kant. I'm country head for Homes to Life. We are a Singapore-based company. We are part of one of the largest sofa manufacturing company globally. We have set up our first furniture store in Punjab, Mohali. We can say it is Tri-City, and North. We are already there in Delhi and Noida. We have total 14 stores across the country. We have opened these stores in a span of around 14-15 months. We introduced this first store in Mumbai, that was in February of 2023, which was last year. And after that, we have opened our network across India. Today, I'm very happy to announce opening of our Mohali store, and the trends which are already there in India, the way we present ourselves. We are a global company. Our designs are from various places, and today Mohali we see a huge opportunity. The Tri-City, Chandigarh, Zirapur, Panchkula, and we are sitting in Mohali. So our partners, Mr. Indar and Mr. Ankit, they have taken up the exclusive franchisee. Uh, we are partnering with them for serving the people of this great city.
What the total number of stores so far?
So total, we started in the month of February of 2023, and we started from west. Then we moved to the major cities. We covered all the major cities, and now we are moving to the main cities, main capitals and union territories. So 14 stores we have in 10 cities in India.
Can you tell us something about the business model? Do you also manufacture? If so, where do you manufacture and where do you market?
Okay, so we are part of one of the largest global sofa manufacturing company, which is based out of Singapore. The company was formed in Singapore in 1976, and we have manufacturing plants. We have 6 huge manufacturing plants. The total facility is around 48 lakh square feet globally. So we have plants in 4 different countries. Our manufacturing for Homes to Life, we have plant in Vietnam, India, China, and Italy. So these are the 4 countries where manufacturing plants are there. India, the plant was started in year of 2022, and it's in Chennai, and it's a exporting from India and also in domestic market. So see, this company is a huge, having 52 countries we are present. We are selling our products in 52 countries. So the products which we are seeing here, they are also sold globally, and they are doing very well. So some of the products which are doing, which are number 2 or number 3 products globally, are also being sold. Second, the advantage of having the store in India and store here. See, furniture is a trend. It's a fashion. So the customers who go and buy the product, they go to Milan, go to different fairs. We are present in all the fairs. We have just finished the Milan fair, the High Point fair in Carolina. So all these products, some of the products we pick up from there, and we produce in India for export, and as well as we consume in India. 32 sofa starts as low as a lakh rupee, and it goes up to 4.5 lakh. It depends upon what color combination. Also, see, as we are part of a very big global supply chain and very big global manufacturing hub, uh, our franchisee partner sells a lot of product which are already available with us. We keep a lot of inventory. So if you see, there are around 18 to 20 different models in this store. These products, some of them products are already being sold in UK and US market. So some of those products are already in running, and we
You
always
can say
keep
test
inventory.
it and
tested
and approved by the customers.
customers. And also there are a lot of new trends which keep coming. If you go and see on the first floor, there's a curved sofa which is there, which is the latest trend. The curved sofas which moving back. You can just push, the sofa becomes day bed. It can become a casual sitting. It can become a formal
Few
sitting.
products are so interesting. Like we all are working, morning since till evening, we all work. In the evening, the one thing you go, you sit on the sofa. We have a sofa which is not only a sofa; it's a bed also. You can sit, you can relax, you can lie down. Now the concept is changing in the design part also. Earlier, the sofa means you have to sit. Now, sofa means you can lie down. Beds mean you can sit. You know, on bed you can sit comfortably. Earlier, bed means you can lie down. Now the concept is on the bed you can lie down also. You can sit comfortably also. See that bed. That bed is with a leather back. You can sit very comfortably. On the sofa you can lie down. That's the concept to make the life more comfortable.
See, Chandigarh people are very expressive. They have traveled globally, और they understand. देखिए ट्राई सिटी, मैं चंडीगढ़ नहीं बोलूँगा, ट्राई सिटी बोलूँगा. एंड जिस हिसाब से डेवलपमेंट ट्राई सिटी का हो रहा है, इट इज़ वेरी वेल प्लान. पीपल वांट टू गो सेटल. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो बाहर रहते हैं. हमारे पंजाब में अगर मैं देखूंगा, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि बाहर सेटल्ड हैं और उनका दे वांट टू कम बैक टू इंडिया एंड दे वांट टू, सो दे आर नाउ गेटिंग दोस काइंड of feel.
Still, if they are not coming, they want to keep their family,
Yeah, they want
in a
to
comfort
rest,
zone.
yeah.
And sofa is furniture is one of the part of that, feeling.
आप एक मैं
आपको पंजाब का मार्केट कैसा है?
पंजाब का मार्केट बहुत ही एफ्लुएंट एंड वेरी गुड मार्केट. देखिए पंजाब मार्केट में क्या है, दे आर अर्ली अडॉप्टर्स. तो पंजाब के लोग हो गए, वो कोई भी चीज ट्रेंड आता है, कोई प्रोडक्ट आता है, कोई भी चीज आती है, दे आर अर्ली. मतलब मैं बोलूंगा हमने अभी जस्ट स्टार्ट किया कल, और अभी से हमको जिस हिसाब से रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है वो अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है. लोग बात कह रहे हैं अच्छा ये तो हमने वहाँ पे देखा.
The store was under construction, and every day there was a walk-in, and they were asking कब खुलेगा. We were very happy to. We said अभी 17th के बाद you can visit.
एंड
Today 17th.
एक और चीज़ है, चंडीगढ़ देखिए मध्य मार्ग हो गया या सेक्टर 17 हो गया, उसमें लोग जाते हैं. बट ये जो एक एरिया डेवलप हो रहा है जहाँ पे JLPL सेक्टर 82 एक हब बनता जा रहा है. आप देखेंगे जो न्यू होम बायर्स हैं, यहाँ पे टाइल्स के शोरूम्स हैं, यहाँ पे किचन वार्डरोब के शोरूम है, लाइटिंग के शोरूम है. जिसको नया घर बनाना है या जो घर से जुड़ा हुआ है, वो यहाँ पे डेफिनेटली आने वाला है, और यहाँ पे एक बड़ा हब बनने वाला है. दूसरा क्या है कि थोड़ा सिटी के अंदर कंजेशन हो गया है, तो पीपल वांट टू कम, और ये वन टाइम बाय है, तो पीपल वांट टू एक्सप्लोर, दे गो सी द वेरियस व्हाट इज अवेलेबल, दे कम एंड बाय. आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट that customer, when they go see the product, they look at the quality, they look at the finish, and then they come back to us.